Okay. See, nigga got them new, so about to do this fucking unboxing. Come on down. You already know this is a new crib, you know. You know how we go. Got the new crib for rent, my nigga. You know how it be. $500 a month, my nigga. This shit is lavish. Alright, so here the boxes. Oh, yeah. Got two, my nigga, cause I got two bands, nigga. Okay. Alright, let's make some room out here. Let's make some room. Okay. So we got the two boxes here. We got this one. That's like the little nigga. And we got Big Dad. This is Big Daddy right here. Put that nigga over here. Yeah. Oh shit. Well, if that nigga's a read, you already can see what the fuck it is. But fuck it, I'ma still do this shit. I don't know why niggas put that shit in the box. Like, niggas can just run up and take my shit. Like, hey, it's a frame. Like, fuck out of here, nigga. Can you say that shit is a fucking... I don't know, nigga. Say that shit some carpet. Alright. Nigga, get the fuck out the way. I don't like you. Fuck out of here, nigga. Alright. So, we got two boxes. You know, it's hard for me to decide and shit, so we gonna do a little jiggly wiggle, alright? You think? I did any, mini, miny, mo last time, so let me try to think of another one. Alright. I got one. I remember this shit from Booty Tag. Bitch. Ho, bitch. You ain't fucking it, nigga. Cause you ain't fucking lit. Bitch. Okay, let's pick this one. Oh, that was loud, man. Fuck. I'm gonna get kicked the fuck out. Shit. Alright. Y'all niggas better find me a new home or something. I'll trade this shit for a house, my nigga. Malibu. Alright, so let's open this one right here. Hit light in this dude. Oh, this shit upside down? Nigga, what the fuck you doing? Alright, so that shit better not come out like that, I swear to God. But alright, let's try to open this box. Let's slice this nigga. Alright. Yo, what up, my nigga? You talking shit, my nigga? I put this fucking scissor to your fucking neck, bitch. So what up, my nigga? Oh, you talk, what up, huh? What's up? Yeah. Get poked, nigga. Alright, let me stop playing before I damage these goods and I cannot return them. So, this is how you open the box, right? You find like a nice scissor or a shanky poo. You find the line right here. I call that the vein, you know, the jugular. And you just slice that bitch like that. 1, 2, 3. Easy peasy, my nigga. That's all you gotta do. Slice, my nigga. Slice. Okay. Oh shit, I didn't hide my address. Fuck, I'm about to get robbed. Alright. Gotta get the pokey again, cause this nigga wanna be difficult. Like, this nigga think he hard. My nigga, like, fuck you doing? Like, can you open, my nigga? Bitch ass nigga. Clap this nigga, yo. This nigga get me tight. Yo, open the fuck up, my nigga. Stop playing. Alright. Danscomp, they hooked your boy up. I'm rolling all fucking day. Look at this raw paper, my nigga. It's fucking lit. Alright. Open this bitch up. Got some more rolly Danscomp. You held it down with that raw paper, nigga. Shit, look at all that roll up, my nigga. That's gonna be a big ass J. Alright, but anyways. So I got these. This right here. What, they gave you a t-shirt? This shit better be a medium. Oh. Let me see this. Hold up, this shit difficult. Alright, Danscomp. This shit blurs a motherfucker. What the hell, man? Fucking Android. Alright, yeah, got that shirt. It smell like ass, but okay. Why the fuck they got... Sorry for the technical fucking difficulties. Android, my nigga. That's all I gotta say. Fucking Android. Alright. Take this out. I don't even feel like doing this shit. I'm hungry. Fuck. I just ate some pussy. Alright, so, let's see what came in the box. We got this Danscomp 2016 calendar. You know, that premium shit. Let me see. Got that nigga, he doing a table. You know, what else we got in this shit? You got a crank arm grind, you know how it go. I want to spoil it for y'all niggas, but oh well. That nigga's doing the fuck is that? The fuck? What the hell? This nigga floating. Okay, let me put that shit away. But yeah, get this shit free when you pay a bean in that bitch, you know. Yeah, that's a good ass deal, haha, some ass niggas. But anyways, got that, you know. I got that that Maggie on deck, you know. If you need that promo code for that, if you bummy, that sale, here you go. You know, hook y'all niggas up. Alright, well, let's start popping these bitches open, you know. Like we in the club. Alright, which one we gonna do? Why this shit fucking blurry, my nigga? Stop fucking doing that, my nigga. Alright. So, fuck it. I'm just gonna pick one. I'm picking the biggest one. Fuck it. So, as you can see, I got the... Yeah. I'm not even gonna say y'all can read. But yeah. Let's read the box. So, Odyssey, you know, R25, fully redesigned. We got, they said they got all new custard tape up butter and special. Fuck, man. Fuck it, this shit hard to read. I don't give a fuck what y'all say, nigga. I can read. But oh, let me open it. Shit. Mad tape in this bitch. Niggas used the whole Scott roll. Shit. Alright, here we go. Yes, lit. These shits is crispy as a motherfucker. The fuck is this? So, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, my nigga. This shit about to look valid. Oh, you see the pinky fancy stuff? Fuck. Damn. Shit. Ooh. Alright. You know, got the shovel on deck in case a hoe wanna act up. Alright. So yeah, that was the Odyssey Ford. I'm about to pop that on in a minute, you know. You dusty bitch. Yeah, I'm about to put it on that. One thing I'm keeping is the back wheel. So if y'all need parts, let me know. Alright, so this shit don't got a cutout in the front. Shit, lucky it be like. Alright, so oh, that shit almost. Yo, chill. Shit falling. Oh yeah, I got this coat stem, you know. Pinky, y'all, fuck y'all. But yeah, it was like $10 on eBay. You know how that go. Daily boys. Alright, so this video long as shit. Let me hurry up. before I run out of space again and do another interval. Alright, so we got these Craig Lucero, Whammo grips, Whammo, yep. Yeah. And then we got these. The fuck is that? A duty stain? The hell? This nasty ass packaging. The fuck? So we got these. We got these rebar by Primo, got them for free because my other one snapped, The Primo, they held it down. I tried to sue their ass, but fuck it, I'll take the free bars. Okay, so got one more box to go. The biggest one in this hoe. Fuck out of here. Alright. Now, tell me like Dora how the fuck I open it. What's step one? That's right. Grab the shanky. What the fuck is it? Just had it. Oh, here it is. Alright, what's step two in this bitch? That's right. Slice the vein. Good job, guys. Y'all doing a great job, learning. I'm cutting mad shit I'm not supposed to be cutting. It's slice and dice, This shit got staples in it. What kind of shit is this? Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Alright. Alright. Got it open. Just got it open. Oh, I ripped the box. Oh, I opened it. Yo, I'm an idiot. It opens like that. So I got that. I got another catalog. And another calendar. How many fucking calendars I got? Wait, didn't I get a DVD? What is this? Hold on. Boy, they sold me. I'm supposed to get a DVD. Well, if anybody want a calendar, I got one for sale because I got two in this bitch. Oh, fucking K, this shit cut the fuck off again. So, I'm trying to make this quick, alright? Yeah, got the free roll, yeah. So, I got the frame right here. It's in the bubble wrap. Take it out, Yeah, got the orange one. Pull it out. Okay, look at that. Alex. Got the 20.8. Looks kind of long. Shit look little as hell. Yeah. What else I got? One more thing in the box. Just got this. That's it. Fuck, man. This shit, it's fucking storage. Fucked it all up. But oh well. But that was my unboxing. It was due to as hell because of my Android. Fuck this phone. But yeah. We made it work in this bitch. Alright, so I'm about to put that shit together and then I'm gonna show y'all what this shit look like, alright? I got more unboxes on the way because your man's got money. Money team, we out here, nigga. Fuck you.